gentlemen, you must say, men not of you want to coconut long thing alongside with
Choice Marrow,
aka
Madam Make It Three.
Now, so we don't come today. People they say, why coconut they dress like woman? Even with both right now because I want to stand in the shoe of a woman to talk to my fellow women. Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
And to talk to
yes, ma. Yes, Mrs.
That's so. And to talk to my fellow men. Women now, me I talk. I be man, woman today. You know that, sir? Anything, let us see. So today the topic we say, let man be a lovely man and let a woman be a lovely woman. Not go abandon your children. Yes. You're going to abandon children. After document, you are going back to the children. Who you want fool? Are you not fooling yourself? We have argument.
We can't finish. No, that a topic in anu we murena. Man, right here. What they pay me to way. There, madam, I be your sakolo. Mu you leave your name for your sakolo for today. When we part time, my topic in a way warrior. Who in a warrior compari because nene you don't come out be the webo.
Yes.
I don't come out be. Wagwage lovely family. Obiana say wagba oge family oge. Oge document alasi ro bonokpa. Pem awa tulemu. Nyegi jere ki nye bie, nyegi jere do wo han tero. E sofa ya no wo han ga sofa. Ho na jo. Onya ruler yebe.
So when you have the heart of gold, if now man you love woman, you love her because of nothing unconditionally, God will bless you unconditionally. If you love her because of documentally, God not will bless you documentally. Yes or no? They go here for this one. Come see, come sir.
No, it was son of me. Well, these days when man notice say where I hear when marriage, when I'm here where I hear with the marriage, is my daddy, is my mom. We are not borrow a father, mother.
Good. What she's trying to say, some people, if they want marry on for this Europe now, because they know they take care of our parents for Nigeria. Say, man, one couple money for their head, they don't go green because you know they take off there. The only thing where you care for an iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 100, iPhone 200. Yes or no?
I know.
If your parents not go green now, for you to beg and make peace, you're going to borrow parents, go to do marriage. That's papa you don't know, tell the two marriage, say now your father.
Could you believe? I'm a brother, every year sitting now blend them off.
One year
cannot see a blended off. One brother.
With Dutchland,
blend them off. Jesus. A brother Nania, on our friend again. And then I friendy. Oh, why I got told? Oh, okay, ma. Oh, I got friend again now. In your way, you sat ya hammer where is a benjo. Benjo now. Nije see me. O last one, Rige, Auntie Ore Benjo, Ije Warigwe, Ije Ruboko Numagba. I wish you Benjo, or Tieno, one of you know, my gage. Mommy, I cannot tell it here, because of Tizano. I introduce my boyfriend there. Mommy, a boyfriend one in our tour, and my gamma, which in Ruboko Numagba. And then I have marry. Oh, to two, yeah, brother, I know do that of night. Yamu, again, I can talk my
bring your parents out. Take care of your parents. Money when you want to buy that fancy for yourself. Share it too. Take off your parents because that time they take off you. That time they not show you. Even if they don't sponsor you for university for everything, but they still give you food. They still make you grow. Still give them that respect. Some people go do this word. They will say my pa, my mommy, and I'm the quarter. I don't they talk to my parents. It's not good.
They will never be sure
if you know your mother, I'm not going to well. I'm not going to well. Or say me now. Wala, wagba oge baba o. Gba oge je o. Mi na gagara gbon.
Gbe wa re
Ege gbe ni
we. Mama come and stop what they enter me.
Oh yeah, let's go.
My brother, my sister, no matter how it is, she's still my mother.
Understand? So let's go there.
Appreciate your parents. Appreciate them no matter the level they are. You understand the learner because we mo maso do when no ga rewe ga o when no ga rugbo kirima o when no ke woni ya na tie nwushi ni re ise me no
na so
ise me no e pa gawe sinya gawe so do e ni ya we yo ni me nwa do bungbe ba na ya confuse ya e pa all we no what disturbing me
you want disturb you well you want disturb you well how we call a man of God to come and pray for you how we call a man of God to come and vote that thing away from you I mean that vote say it can never go because you stubborn be when
e pa e ma tono na ori o me so to
o ya vale la dia
awon modion no rewe bona
hey
negbe ma ho no ro awon modion negbe ma ho me modion me hin obo ni bu wo egbe ma ho yan na iware ne ru wa yo bo you wato imagwe no ya ro o no mano we omo we rie mi ra ya ro yen one last street yan toast to ko e pass na hamadene wa ha we our guest no dey green for the effort our guest
continue
yan wa toast yan wa David na I get 3 flats for Benin I get another one for Nenemi I get another one for Lagos I got another one yes the one me the girl lele e dey gari o ta we le do find that girl oh go tag we marry o to bu we nera wuse and the family a share e we ya wo
I disagree with you one kind I'm not be a toast to way and not get anything I must to okay I'm not to go
okay ma you don't even know say in that way they tomato my man okay ma
go straight to the point but we ya go na ya be break on our heart oh man listen Imani release Sago. Imani release Avanuku because I bomb for now because the saga one lie low for now. No saga. Okay, why Togi? If your parents are your backbone, hey Togi, watch away. Now my father they do it for me. Now so you call the lie. Yes or no? Good. You see, Gamma wants to invest me. As a woman, you don't have to go into a relationship immediately after breakup. Make a break and down. Someone break your heart today. You know me say tomorrow, another Mr. Samson, your toast to you, your go. Observation is allowed. Observe that man. Don't be say you the wrong go relationship without you not know the man. Study is available. When man where to reality you are.
Reality you but it may fear go ye matter now.
Okay.
Women, my fellow women. They say women talk to women. Women suppose understand.
Continue.
See, I don't come here to come bring anybody down. I can't put myself on a shoe before I go talk to her. If you just break out of marriage, or somebody break out of your home, or relationship crumble, calm down.
Take a deep breath.
Drink cold water. Renaya we sipi ako I think. This sipi ako wa sip yo. Look the cause of the breakup.
Continue.
Second, take out your fault with the inside the breakup.
Are you 40 young one? Are you 40 young one? Don't claim right. When you are 40, who young one? So that when you go into the next relationship, you will not make that same mistake. Yes or no? I'm an avamuya. Oh, you know we say original. Oh yeah, continue.
Take out your fault when they inside the fault of the breakup. Once you figure out the fault, work on the fault. Because my tell now one thing. Sometimes I know say we always say na the men no robot be my sister. Nobody be sent. We are not perfect. Imagine the same papa, the same mama, una dey the same as una still dey fight. Now talk of person will come from Agbo and person will come from Yoruba, they can't come together. Differences must to appear. That one we accept. So your own fault when they inside. Ka wolo la diane. Unwina nyae.
Wolo.
Unwina nyae.
Obo we here. Obi people you want wina nyae. Maybe that's what tell me that obo. You dey talk like nothing that unwina nyae.
No affect me.
He's a lobo.
Unwina nyae. Who ga unwina nyae ne? My sister, okay, lave. Very yo.
You will make jump for another hole.
Two mistake.
You know when you come out from a hole, you don't need to go to another hole. When you go to another hole, it's second mistake. When you go to another hole, it's third mistake. You are falling to hole.
First thing after a breakup, drink water.
A deep breath.
Drink water. A process will be drinking water. Ni ma we.
I'm not like depression. Hey, I like depression. A deep breath. After me, I mean.
Where go? Calm down. I video now when me good who calm down. After oni waiting lave very yo. Uga lao una we ladian. But so whatever photo. But so the brother no we damn now take me photo. But I do a kale my sister. I do what my way Polly ma. I do what my way Johnny ma. Na something give ma. O honi me karata. Ugben so teme. Ugben so te gwa le dae. Ugben so we teve gwa we good money. My sister. Eko. Kere. Maya se ke di marie. Ima rule o. Ima hia o. Ima sae o. Ima kro woto o. Maya wa me ke ni marie. And we'll get there in Jesus' name.
Oh.
We will get there in Jesus' name.
Apostle Choice Maro, whether I pastor, may let church work. Because the man is a boy. Uriye me o Milan, Uriye me sango, but I preach. I cannot go. I move. I move.
E paga move on ba ni onu nu gwa we boy si mana gun. E wa mu your we body.
Your body?
You miss with me.
Let's have shout. Shout with Kino. We are moving.
We worry next day.
Okay, bye. Sleep. Oh, momo. Vieux. Gira, rene, qui, la vie. We boy, we do movie.